Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the section of your hair tied. Now take the remaining section of your hair and make the braids out of it as it is shown in the video. Now tie it very nicely and it's done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair and then start making the knots with the help of the comb as shown in the video. Once you are complete with it, tie it very nicely. Now take the remaining hairs and make a small braid as shown in the video and then attach it as it will look like this, and then it's all done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair, tie it and then pull it inside out. Now do it as shown in the video as it will start looking like this, and it's done. For this one, take the section of your hair and then roll it. Now take the smaller sections from the remaining hairs and start making the knots out of it as shown in the video. Now make a braids out of the hairs as shown and then it will look like this, and it's done. For this one, take the middle portion of your hair and then tie it nicely. Now pull out the hairs as shown in the video. Now take the remaining hairs, tie it and then pull it inside out as shown in the video, and then pull out some hairs as it will start looking like this. Now repeat the process with the remaining hairs as it will look like this. Attach it, it's done. For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it and then pull it inside out. Now start making the braids out of it as shown in the video and it will look like this, and then attach it. For the next one, make a ponytail and then take a bun maker and make the small knots out of it and then attach it on the bun maker as it will look like this. Now repeat the process and then it's done. For the next one, take the sections of your hairs and start making the braids out of it while taking the smaller sections out of it, and then keep braiding your hairs from the top as it will look like this. It's done. Thanks for watching.